You see it, so let's get it done. What's going on, BSG? Welcome back to another video. I'd like to welcome all new subscribers and even my old subscribers. I appreciate you guys supporting me and checking out my videos. So today we are getting into replacing these pins for the 66 door. Now, I haven't done this before, so we're going to be winging it. So we're going to drop this off in here and see if we can knock these out. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a try. Well, this is not working, so what do we do next? I don't know right now, so I'm probably going to have to do some research and figure it out. If you knock it in that way, you knock it back out, will it do something different? Somebody done turned that water on. I gotta do that next. Start watering that grass again. Ugh. That's gonna cost a little bit of money, boy. The grass, boy, loves that water. So that's not working. All right, y'all. Let me check something out and figure something out. You know, might come down to it. Might have to buy some new ones. We'll see. All right. So after my research and after two smashed fingers, I said, "Fuck these damn hinges." I had to cut that damn shit off of there and still couldn't get it up. Look at that. I left my mark. Bleeding like hell. So I ordered new ones. Save those for, I guess, whenever. Something else down the line I'll save them for. So what we gonna do is that we're gonna go over here to this door. And when the new hinges come in, we'll put them on. So what we're gonna do, when we go to this door, we're gonna do all this here. We're gonna clean all this, bring it all the way down the middle. Except for my areas I got me bondo on, I'm gonna just smooth those out. We're gonna clean all this up and make it smooth and get some damn primer on them. Okay, so let's get with me on the process here, and I'm gonna put y'all up here so y'all can see what's going on, and gonna go into a time lapse. All right, let's go. So y'all see what I'm doing. I'm gonna finish cleaning this up, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all once it's done. Then I'm gonna show you all the little repairs, all the little body work that I need to do to it. Okay, so I finished doing what I need to do to it. So what I'm gonna do is rub my hand across it and see some spots like this one right here. Gotta redo this here crap. I see that, so I already know I gotta do that. Smooth this stuff out. That's what I think I need to do anyway. Here go one I need to do for sure. And this one. And this here. This one. And I think I'm gonna hold off right there. I'm gonna sand this down with my sander, which is what is that? Great. I think it's 100. No, it's not 100. It's more than that. Hold on. Where's my stuff at? Oh, here we go. So come on, big girl. No. It is 40. 40, and then I'll go over it with 80, and then we'll see what we got from there. All right. So as soon as I finish this, I'll get right back to you. All right, y'all. So here we go. Let me show you these doors, man. So here we go. Here, so smoothed out. We got some low spots. Well, not on this one. Well, this spot right here is low. I gotta take care of that one, but everything else seems to be smoothed out and everything. This door here is kind of got a little business going on here. We gotta do something. But next time you're gonna see these doors, man, these doors gonna be all looking good. At least I hope so. All right, so with all that being said, let me get back to business, and I'll bring y'all back as soon as I get this going. All right, guys, so you see the doors right there. Told you in the thing, remember the doors. Those look good. Now, I'm gonna tell you one thing, I messed around and bought the wrong high build primer, but wrong color. But I got one can of gray and the other two black. Didn't even know it, so I started spraying it. Then Eastwood high build primer. Some pretty decent stuff. I'm gonna try that roll on next. But I still got a couple of more blemishes in these doors. But I'm gonna let the body guy do those because I hate this crap. So whoever paints it, I'm gonna let them finish it up because we got a few things that need to be addressed. But I mean, right now they look good. They can go on there, and well, I gotta get the door hinges. Once I get door hinges, I'll put it back on. But I'm gonna move on to something else. Let me give you a sneak peek. Trying to build this. Let me take you a quick peek here. This is what I'm doing. See that piece right there? Piece I'll go on top of it. See it's flush. Get down to the end. My top, my tongue cover roll up just like this. Can be up in the air just like that whenever I open it. Then close it back down. Oh, well, hopefully it don't come down like that. Okay, but we are done with these doors, and we're gonna move on to this bed. Try to get that done next, as well as working some of the body on the top. I'm not gonna show you me working the body on the top of the truck because these doors suck. So that's gonna really suck, me trying to videotape that. So just gonna clean it up, and whatever I can't do, I'm gonna pass it on to the next guy, let him finish it up. And my biggest concern is getting, well, I got two concerns. One of them is not that big, but it's still a concern of mine. Need to put fluids back in this truck, get this truck back running. That's number one. Number two is trying to make this tonneau cover for this bed and have it look decent. I'm gonna show you how the process how I go about on that. I don't know if I'm gonna show all of it, but I'm gonna show you the process how I do that, all right? I got this from somebody else on YouTube. He made one for his rat rod, and I'm gonna try to make me one for this here. Yes, sir. So, with all that being said, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, man, so we can keep growing. And we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.